Easy beauty and makeup tips you should know. Everybody is beautiful. It is just that most of us simply need a little bit of grooming. Two of the main reasons why looking our best can be difficult. First, pretty hurts. Going to the dermatologist can be uncomfortable. Breaking can make you not want to go to the clinic ever again. Second, beauty products can be costly, and that is probably the last thing we want to be doing. We dream of a healthy skin and still wish to keep our wallets full. So today, we will be showing you a better beauty routine that doesn't involve needles and compromising the budget. With these beauty tips, we'll make looking good a little more accessible just for you. What's up, Muze family? Welcome back to our channel. We hope that you're all at your best today. These beauty tips we'll be giving you right now, the materials, ingredients needed, and procedures are as accessible and simple as it can be. From having that fleek eyebrows down to having that smooth feet you've been dying to have, we got that solved for you today. So just hang in there, Muze fam, and enjoy the rest of the video. Tip number 15. Removing the pimples. You probably have tried almost all the products available in the market just to get rid of those pimples, and until today, you fail over and over again. Here, we will be showing you two important procedures that can ease the pimples by using your resources at home. First, prepare eye drops and a cotton swab. Apply a few drops in a cotton swab and place it in the fridge for 35 minutes. Then apply the swab to the pimple. This remedy will make the pimple smaller and relaxes your face from all the swelling. Our second procedure involves a medicine that is commonly used when you're having diarrhea, bismuth subsalicylate or Pepto-Bismol. This medicine can also make a large difference in your skin. Just apply the bismuth on your face using a clean makeup brush, then wash it away. This method will remove redness and make your skin look more elastic. If you think this beauty tip is what you've been looking for, wait till we get to number 1. Tip number 14. Plump lips. The plump lips we crave to have doesn't necessarily have to be the poutiest of all. We just wish to have that fresh and attractive lips that can show the confidence in us, especially when it's our turn to do the talking. This procedure, all you need are 1/3 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E, and 1 drop of peppermint essential oil. Just mix all ingredients and apply the mixture on your lips. Massage for 30 seconds. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and wash it away. Now the plump lips you've been dying to have are ready to be shown off. Tip number 13. Underarm whitening. Dark underarm makes women avoid going out in public wearing sleeveless dresses or tops. You don't have to throw all those clothes away because in this video, we got an easy solution for this problem. This beauty idea involves no dermatologist or expensive whitening. You just need a lemon and a baking soda. Easy, right? You just have to cut the lemon into 4 and squeeze the lemon juice into a bowl. Add baking soda and mix. Apply the mixture on your underarms and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. For the best results, apply this mask consistently before bedtime. Tip number 12. Smooth skin. No need to go to the spa or buy any of those branded lotions because in this 12 beauty idea we have for you, all you need are nothing but brown sugar, olive oil, and raw oat flakes. Take a cup of each ingredient, mix them all together in a bowl, apply your scrub on dry skin in circular motions. Then wash the mixture away and yes, enjoy the smooth skin that needs no spending. Tip number 11. Younger looking skin. It is a beautiful thing, a wonderful blessing to age. Younger looking skin actually means keeping the radiant glow that we want to keep as years passes by. This beauty idea is a natural spot remover that includes a whitening effect. You'll be needing 1/4 glass of cooked rice, 1/2 tablespoon of agave nectar, 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. That is all. Mix all ingredients in a blender and apply it smoothly on your skin, especially on your hands, in 1 to 2 minutes. You wash the mask with warm water. This mixture can also be used on your face to achieve that moisturized and healthy look. If your skin is very sensitive, replace the lemon juice with water. Easy, right? Tip number 10. Smooth feet. We may be spending our lives wearing shoes and high heels to work, and that we can't avoid sweating and having callus, the thickened part of our foot that has been subjected to friction. This beauty idea we'll be showing you is a foot soak that will soothe your feet and make your skin feel smoother, providing the moisture it needs. Prepare 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of Epsom salt. This salt will serve as the healing agent and pain reliever. Lastly, add 25 drops of peppermint essential oil. Mix all ingredients in a bowl and mix them with warm water. Soak and relax your feet in the bowl for approximately 15 minutes. Get ready for a revitalized foot that you've been dying for. Tip number 9. Toning massage. With all the hectic and productive days, we often neglect the fact that we need a body massage. Forget about going to the spa because in this beauty idea, all you need are nothing but a tennis ball and an exercise mat. Roll out your entire body with a tennis ball. Focus on that body part that you'd like to massage. Place the ball on a mat and lay down with the ball nestled right by your shoulder, back, or any other part of the body. You can do this for at least 5 to 10 minutes before bedtime. This will surely make a difference by giving you a better sleep. Tip number 8. Great eyebrows. The fatty acids that make up castor oil are proven to be extremely nourishing to the skin. It has helped people grow longer and thicker eyelashes and eyebrows. You can use it instead of the eyebrow tattooing that's getting less popular today for a reason that it is expensive and painful. Pour a few drops of oil on a cotton pad and apply it on your eyebrows. Massage each eyebrow with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes. Wait for 30 minutes and remove the oil with makeup remover. The only way to achieve effective results is to use it every night religiously. It takes about 3 to 6 months to notice a significant change. You really don't want to miss out the rest of the video, so stay still for more beauty ideas. And yes, we have a little bonus for you, Muze Fam, and it will surely take your breath away. Tip number 7. Cleaner nails. With all the pandemic that's been going on, going to the salon and getting the nails done can be a little risky. So, our question is, how can we do our nails by keeping them clean by doing the remedy by ourselves and staying at home? You need nothing much but a capsule of vitamin E, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and yes, a wooden stick. Just mix all ingredients and soak your fingers in the mixture for more or less 10 minutes. Use the wooden stick to push back the cuticles on your fingers. Voila! You now have that fresh and cleaner nails without all the hassle. Tip number 6. Wider neck, elbows, and knees. We might fail to notice those dark spots on our neck, knees, and in our elbows, but it's there, waiting for some attention and love. These dark spots are the effects of a dry skin that needs moisturize and rejuvenation. To take care of your skin, you just need a few ingredients you can find in the kitchen. A tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of honey, 1 egg white, and 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. Just mix those ingredients mentioned and apply the mixture in the dark areas and let it stay for 30 minutes. Just remove it with warm water. Apply consistently and within a week, you can surely see the improvements. Tip number 5. Body and face detox. You already probably know that your body needs a detox from time to time, but due to our busy days, we often neglect and set aside our skincare routine. But this beauty idea we will be showing you is something you can just prepare easily at home. Prepare 1/2 grapefruit, a few drops of olive oil, and 1/2 coffee grounds. Cut the grapefruit into 2, drizzle olive oil in the cut sides of the grapefruit, and dip it into the coffee grounds. Massage your skin in circular motions. Just add more olive oil and coffee grounds as needed. This mixture can be used also as a detox face scrub. Tip number 4. Beautiful nails. If you've been doing nails consistently, it is expected to see some yellow spots. These yellow spots on our nails look unpleasant and they worry us, but it's really easy and fun to make them look nicer and cleaner again. All necessary ingredients are waiting for you in your bathroom. You will need toothpaste and an old toothbrush. All you got to do is apply the toothpaste on a brush and rub your nails for a few minutes. After this procedure, the stains will disappear. Just do this consistently to maintain more hygienic nails. Tip number 3. Volumized hair. Don't we all want a volumized hair without abusing our scalp with all the unsafe treatment? We might be enjoying the results within a few weeks, but after that, the damage is as obvious as it can be. It is indeed a challenge to get a full-looking style and maintain a healthy hair. Right here, we will be showing you the easiest and cheapest home remedy for the volumized hair that you've been looking for. You will need a comb and a clean toothbrush. Part your hair and tease your roots of the crown along your part with a toothbrush. The bristles are so soft that they allow you to retain more control than you'd be able to do with a regular hairbrush. Easy, don't you think? Tip number 2. White teeth. Stop being ashamed of your smile. Why visit a dentist when you can prepare a homemade remedy on your own using nothing but organic products? Get 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Make a paste out of all the ingredients. Apply the mixture on a toothbrush and clean your teeth as usual. For better results, leave the paste on your teeth for 5 minutes before you rinse your mouth. Do this remedy as much as possible for faster results. Before we get to number 1, don't miss that subscribe button to be notified for more awesome beauty ideas. Tip number 1. Homemade Headache Relief Balm. Are you fed up with painkillers but a headache leaves you no choice? Try to make this balm. This can be a little tricky, but as soon as you have gathered all the necessary ingredients, you don't need to go to the pharmacy and spend money for that rub you've been using for years. You will need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of almond oil or jojoba oil, 8 drops of frankincense essential oil, 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, 6 drops of spearmint essential oil, 6 drops of lavender essential oil, 8 drops of basil essential oil, 3 tablespoons of beeswax, a bowl, and balm jars. Melt the coconut oil in a double boiler. Set it over medium-high heat. Add the top half of your double boiler and put your coconut oil in the pan. It takes a few minutes to start melting, but once you hear the water getting too close to boiling, turn it down to low. Once your coconut oil turns to liquid, mix in all of your essential oils. Pour evenly into the glass containers and let them sit at room temperature to set. This usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Apply the balm on your temples, forehead, or another area where you experience pain. You can share this procedure with your family and friends, or you can also make a small business out of it. Creative, isn't it? Bonus tip. To tighten up the pores in a clean face, you can use lemon and other citrus fruits. Lemons are acidic and contain powerful skin lightening effects. For a more beautiful and healthy effects internally and externally, always choose organic. Go and see the natural effects for yourself. So that's it, folks. 15 beauty ideas that can surely maximize the creative in you. These hacks will come in handy to all of you out there regardless your occupied and busy days. Do this anytime and anywhere you like. Which among these beauty ideas you like to try first? Comment down your thoughts because we would like to hear more from you. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Don't forget to check out the other videos we have. And yes, if you'd like to hear more from us, make sure to subscribe and get notified. See you next time, Muze Fam. Bye!